Hi guys, Brand Asset Management here today, and I'm doing a stock review of Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, using my 6 simple steps. Stick around to the end of the video to see if I think Tesla is still a buy in 2021. Just going over Tesla's share price here over the last year, you can see at the start of the year it was $177 a share, got hit pretty hard in the pandemic, it hit a 52-week low of $70 a share, and has gone on a pretty parabolic rise since then, $400 a share just before December, and then boosting up quickly there till the all-time high at around $900 a share, and has traded relatively flat since then, but is currently at $816 a share. The market cap for Tesla is $783.4 billion, making it the 6th largest company in the US, only behind Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook and Google. Now to go to my 6 simple steps, and the first is PE ratio less than 20, and the PE ratio currently of Tesla is 1,312, making it a massive fail and the largest price to earnings ratio I've ever seen. The only positive to this is they're now a profitable company, which is good, as they do have a PE ratio. Now looking at step 2 is revenue increasing over the last 5 years, and the revenue has gone from $7 billion in 2016 to $31.54 billion in 2020. So as a check mark there, the revenue has increased massively. Very good news for Tesla. Now step 2 is profit increasing over the last 5 years, and the profit has gone from minus 773 million to positive 862 million. So that's a check mark there, as Tesla is now a profitable company. Good news, trending in the right direction. Now to look at step 4, are the shares outstanding decreasing or flat? And the shares have gone from just over 4 billion to actually 4.8 billion, because here does not include the 5-to-1 stock split that Tesla had. So the actual number is 4.8 billion, so as a fail, as it's gone from 4 billion to 4.8. Now on to step 5, are the current assets greater than the current liabilities? And Tesla's current assets are 26 billion, whereas their current liabilities are only 14 billion. So that's another check mark there, as they can easily pay off their current debt for their current assets. If we quickly look at their total liabilities, you can see that's just under 30 billion, so they can almost pay off all of their debts with their current assets. So that's really good news for Tesla. I'm only giving them one pass for that, but still good news. Now on to the final step is the free cash flow increasing over the last 5 years, and to get the free cash flow we take the cash from operating activities minus capital expenditures. So 5 years ago the free cash flow was minus 1.5 billion, and that has increased to positive 2.7 billion. So that's a massive check mark there, as Tesla has free cash flow. Great news. If we look over the last 5 years and get an average, minus 1.5 billion, minus 4 billion, minus 200 million, positive 1 billion, and positive 2.7 billion. So it is trending in the correct way, as you can see. So that gives an average free cash flow of minus 400 million. So I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to look at their most recent cash flow of 2.7 billion and get a price to free cash flow. So the price to free cash flow of Tesla, as the market cap is 783 billion divided by 2.7 billion, that gives you at around 290. So that is very, very, very high ratio. The highest I've seen so far. For a company growing as quickly, I mean times 40, even times 50, which would be astronomically high, but 290 is very, very high. Tesla does not pay a dividend, so I won't be going through that. And to quickly look at some of the analyst ratings, the Refinitiv have it as a sell with the average target price of 610, but as you can see from the ranges, they're all over the place here. 12 are buying, 13 are holding, 10 are selling. Some have it as high as 1,300 a share, some have it at 650, and others have it at $67 a share. So that is a massive range. There's no consensus here. Tip rank ratings have it as a hold, with 7 buying, 4 holding, and 7 selling, with an average target price of $603, which is 26% downside. And once again, you can see the ranges are all over the place. 1,200 on the high side and $67 on the low side. Just to quickly review my 6 simple steps, the PE ratio was not less than 20 with 1,312, so that was a fail. Revenue had increased from 7 billion to 31 billion, so that was a check. Profit had also increased from minus 700 million to positive 860 million, so check there. Shares outstanding unfortunately did increase from 4 billion to 4.8 billion, fail. The current assets can easily pay off their current liabilities with 26 billion to 14 billion, so that was a check. And the free cash flow has increased from minus 1.5 billion to 2.7 billion in the green. check mark there. So that is 4 passes and 6 fails on the fundamental analysis of Tesla. So having a look at my valuation of Tesla, I've estimated the free cash flows here. I've been very bullish on the numbers, and you can see it's brought out a calculated stock price of $563. So that's a 30% decrease where it is. So the model says it isn't a buy, and unfortunately I would have to agree with it at its current price. I just think it's too expensive for what it is. I think it is trending in the right direction, but still for over $800 a share, being the 6th largest company in the US, I think the money is best invested elsewhere. But if I just open up Tesla's chart here and show the points where I've currently been wrong on Tesla because I haven't bought it. I didn't buy it here, I didn't buy it here, I haven't bought it here. I did actually put a buy order in just at the end of November, and then immediately closed the position before it was able to buy. So since then Tesla has doubled. So I've been wrong on Tesla throughout the entire year. So if you think Tesla is a good company, ignoring the fundamentals for the current price, but forecasting out in the future, I think yes, go for it. They have been trading a bit flat at the minute. Maybe hope for some sort of pullback. If Tesla does pull back to its pre-November range, I think I would buy it at that price. But right now I just can't justify it. Right guys, I want to thank you for watching my stock analysis of Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA. Leave a like if you've enjoyed the video, and give a comment below if you agree or disagree with my position on Tesla, and consider subscribing if you enjoy investing and stock analysis videos. I'll catch you guys next time.